Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Immutable X. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this big down channel, and I would like to show you this descending triangle formation as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my last trade setup of Immutable X that I shared with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Immutable X formed on 25th of July. And you can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was just entered the buying zone. And our buying zone, by the way, was from 87 cents to 80 cents. And we're sell target zone as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern was from 97.7 cents and goes to $1.08. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. It rallied up to $1.29 and again moved down. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart. Then you can see that for the long time period, it was moving inside this down channel. And by the way, I also shared this breakout from this channel almost 2 months ago in my previous video that I shared almost 2 months ago. This was a video, by the way, when we were just breaking out the channel. And I told you that even though we are breaking out this channel, very huge channel, but still we have a key resistance at $1.13. And IMX need to break out this resistance as well in order to continue this move to the upside. And you can see for several weeks, it tried hard to break out this resistance, but finally got rejected and moved down and tested this support that we have at 71 cents. And now we are having a huge double bottom pattern formation at this support. And after this double bottom, there is a very high probability that now it may break out the next key resistance and continue its move to the upside. And you can see our next key resistance is at $1.13, then $1.50 will be also strong resistance because previously it had been working as a support here and almost as a support here as well. By the way, this one will be the stronger resistance at $2.80. Now let's take a look at another resistance that we have, and that is also a quite long-term resistance. You can see the trend line is coming from here. We have two more touch points here and another touch point here as well. And even you can also include this candlestick as well. And here we have a horizontal support and a downtrend line resistance. So this is the formation of a descending triangle. Let me to show you this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. This one is the descending triangle. Let me to include these two candlesticks and even these four candlesticks as well. Now you can see that we have a quite long-term downtrend line resistance and this horizontal support, and the movement is quite squeezed now. That is more important thing over here. Therefore, at any time it can break out or break down. We have a very big double bottom formation. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can break out the resistance. And by the way, the conservative target after the breakout can be here for this triangle. That will be approximately at $1.35. And let me just show you on the weekly time frame chart. You can see we have our next key resistance at $1.13, and you can see we got rejected previously for several weeks. We have been rejected by this resistance, and after breaking out this resistance, I'm expecting that easily it can break out the next resistance levels one by one. And by the way, the final target can be here, but I would suggest you to set that final target here, because here we have a lot of resistance at $5.50, and that is also almost the top of the channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.